Lockdown skeptic Mike Yeadon is back at it again, making false claims about the pandemic. Let's fact check them.
You don't need masks, they don't work.
But the evidence shows that masks do work. They've been shown in a number of studies, including but not limited to the ones coming up on your screen, to reduce the viral transmission of particles. There's a reason why masks have been used in a healthcare setting for decades.
Forget lockdowns, they never slowed transmission.
The effect of lockdowns on reducing transmission has been covered in various scientific papers, including the ones on screen now. COVID is spread by person-to-person contact. Since lockdowns reduce or limit person-to-person contact, you would expect them to slow the transmission of the virus. And that's exactly what happened after all 3 of England's national lockdowns. Cases which were rising then fell. That's not to say that lockdowns are necessarily worth the trouble they cause, and it's not to deny the fact that certain countries and regions have managed to control the virus without resorting to lockdowns. But suggesting that lockdowns don't slow the transmission of the virus doesn't make sense.
You don't need to be vaccinated by inadequately tested and somewhat dangerous gene-based spike protein inducing proteins.
Multiple stages of trials have proved that the 3 vaccines available for use in the UK are safe and effective. Although a possible link between the AstraZeneca vaccine and a very rare type of blood clot is still being investigated, the benefits of taking a vaccine far outweigh the risks for most people. Good information matters, especially in a pandemic, and you don't have to take my word for it. All of our sources are linked to in the article, so you can check this out for yourself. Full Fact is an independent, impartial fact-checking charity, and you can find out more about what we do at fullfact.org/about.